free website giveaway. In this video, I'm going to give away a website that makes $6,000 in 7 days. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video, I'm going to first of all give you a free website, and then I'm going to show you how to give it away for free so that other people make you money on complete autopilot. Okay, so this website can make you up to $6,000 in 7 days. Now this is the high end, obviously. All you have to do is just give it away for free and make money. It's super simple. I'm going to show you the whole process. But before we jump into the content of this video, let me just tell you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. First of all, the free website that I'm going to give away today, you'll find it in the first link. Check out all the rest of the links as well. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. Okay, let me share my screen for you guys and let me show you exactly how this works. So this is the website that first of all you're gonna get for free, and then you'll be able to give it away for free and let other people build your online business and your online income for you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a squeeze page. You just enter your email. That's what you're gonna have to do when you click on the first link in the description. And as you can see, it says discover how I made $6,000 in 7 days with nothing but email, free website included. So if you want a free website just like this one, use the first link in the description. You're gonna get it, and then you're gonna open a free account, and you'll be able to give away 5 free accounts to 5 people. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So just enter your email, and as you can see, it looks professional, it looks amazing. It's about making money online, so you know, who doesn't want to make $6,000 in 7 days, right? Once you're gonna enter your email, you will see this in the members area. Okay, so you're gonna have this 20-minute video that explains everything, you know, exactly how this works. So you have the intro, 60-second setup, and how to make money. This is super simple, guys. Essentially, what you're gonna be doing is giving away a free website just like this one that you just got. You're gonna get your link. All you have to do is just share your link wherever you want it on your social media. You know, you can buy ads, you can get free ads, you can get a ton of different, you know, traffic strategies to make this work. And all you have to do is just promote this link, and anyone that subscribes under you will be building your list for you and building your income, because these are automated commissions. Okay, so in a second I'm going to show you a full presentation on how this works. You can control all of your subscribers right here. So as you can see, you have 2 leads referred right now. Then you have direct leads, which means the people that subscribed under you. And then you have autopilot leads, which means that whoever signs up under the person that you subscribed, you're gonna get these leads as well. Okay, and you're gonna get the commissions as well. That's why it's fully automated. It's you know, autopilot, etc. So then if you have an autoresponder, you can connect it right here. If you don't have one, you don't have to worry about it, but you know, this is definitely an option if you want to build an email list. And then a little explanation of how this works. So this is actually based on a case study. You can use 100% free traffic, and you know, this case study talks about $6,000 in 1 week. Pretty amazing, right? So what is very cool is that traffic strategies are included. So you know, you can buy solo ads, which essentially means that you can pay someone to send an email to their big list, and you know, they're gonna essentially share your link. So you have a bunch of resources here. You can do email ad swaps, which are free. You can do other ad swaps, which are free as well. You can use the banner ads, and you have additional traffic methods right here. You have these 4, including free traffic strategies, so you can start absolutely for free, doing nothing else but sharing your link, and then whoever signs up will start building your online business for you and your online income. Okay, so let me just share this presentation for you and show you exactly how this works. So when you're gonna put in your email, when you're gonna get your free website, you can now give the same website away to 5 people to activate it and start getting free leads. Now, Those 5 leads become your subscribers, and now each one of these 5 people can give away a free website to 5 people too. So for every person you successfully give a free website away to, you get 6 subscribers. This process grows very, very fast. In addition, when the folks who signed up under you also sign up new people, you also get 10% of those leads. And when those people sign up new people, you still get 10% of their leads. And down the line, this works beautifully and produces sick amount of leads. Now, in the second step, everyone gets presented with an upsell, which is where you make automatic commissions. You can potentially make up to $500 a pop in commissions, and all you do is give away a free website. Pretty amazing, right? So this is exactly how it works. It's super simple. All you have to do is just share this link. Obviously this will be different for you all over the web, wherever you can share it. The more traffic you can send to it, the better. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, wherever you want to share it. Obviously you can buy solo ads, you can do free solo ads, you can do free ads, you can do classified ads. Whatever you want to do will absolutely work. So guys, there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. All you have to do is just click the first link in the description, go to this page, enter your email, and you're gonna get free access to this free website. You're gonna be presented with an upsell. This upsell is for if you wanna get more automated commissions. So you can get it or not, totally up to you. If you're gonna get the free version, you'll be able to give it away to 5 people. If you're gonna get the paid version, there's unlimited number of people who can give it away to, and also automated commissions are included. So it's a sick system. You don't have to do anything else than just sharing your link. Super simple. It makes money on autopilot, and I hope you're gonna check it out because it's super powerful. Now let's check who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. Okay, my previous video is this one right here. Earn $12 per song you listen to. It was a pretty cool video. 1,000 people watched it already, so watch it as well. As always, I'm gonna link to it. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let's see how many comments we have. Now we have 25 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. We got Patsy Woolery, and I got the email. So right now I'm going to send her $10. Congratulations, Patsy. And if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email, just like Patsy just did, so I know where to send the money to, alright? Okay, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10 right now, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, if you want the free website, that's the first link. Check out all the rest of the links, including my top recommended system, my coaching, my free Facebook course. Everything else is in the description. Check it all out, and if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.